our friend Jazz with a Z. From Tacloban.
I never thought that it would end this way, but, you know, we can't finish writing our books and stories. I hope you have a happy life and God bless with your partner. I hope you a good
Ama na,
future.
Jazz, ang haba. Okay na yun. Ayan! Ayan! Dinaan natin siya. Ayan, ganan, ako nina, nakiss ka.
2,000 years later.
Isa pang searching na hindi mo napili. Magpakilala ka na, Axel. My favorite.
Yes!
Oh, yeah.
The resurrection of Cheeksers.
Paano yung kawaii? Paano yung kawaii?
Yeah. Hoy, hindi pwede yun.
Hindi pwede yun, Axel.
That's bad. You don't do that. You ask for permission. Alam mo bang pwede kang mademanda sa ginagawa mo? You don't do that. Hindi ka pwedeng nang yan nagnanakaw ng halik.
Sorry. Christine, thank you kasi kahit di mo pinili, okay lang. Kasi kapangalan mo ex ko eh. Yung sumira ng buhay ko dati.
Pangalan mo ex.
Pero mabait siya. Good luck.
Gusto niya sumali as searcher. Thank you. Thank you, Axel.
Huwag ganun, ha? That's bad. Doon ka, sasaktan kita.